Triple brick. They say I'm a devil's advocate cause I'm a force to be reckoned with. I don't really give a shit what niggas think cause I'm positive as it gets. You know why? Cause I don't care about you, I care about I. Nigga, and only me. I would care about you, but it's envy. It's envy, all the hate. I can't get used to it cause it's fake. Nigga, that ain't real, fuck nigga. I'm out here, they say I dress to kill, but I don't. I just jump fresh on hoes. I pull any hoe I want, they go. I can send them to the track. Blade, tell her bring my money back up. And they know that. That's why they hating on the side. They can't fuck with that. Niggas is mad when I pull off in the new jack. Panamera shit. Might be a Porsche 911 bitch. Oh shit. If a bitch had to kill it real quick. Yeah. Try to hate ass niggas, man, but I can't stop that. The fuck do you want?